Welcome back. This is Mr. Hassan's Maths channel, and now I'm answering question number 19 from the February-March 2022 IGCSE Cambridge 0580 syllabus. And this question here is about proportion, in fact inverse proportion variation. It says y is inversely proportional to the square root of x plus 4 when x equals 5, y equals 2. Find y when x equals 77. Typical type of question on this. So it says y is inversely proportional to. So the key word here is the inversely part here in this question. Inversely proportional to. Sometimes it might say y varies inversely as. Okay. It could say that even. Anyway, so what we do is when it says inversely proportional to, the way you deal with it is you can say y is equal to some constant divided by whatever phrase comes after proportional, to the square root of. So you write square root of x plus 4, x plus 4. So y is inversely proportional to is equal to some constant divided by. Inversely means divided by. If it said y is proportional to, if it was proportional, we'd say y equals k times. It would be y equals k times the square root of x plus 4. If the word inversely wasn't there, if it says y is proportional to, that's how you'd write it. But it is there, so we don't write that. Okay, so we write this. Now, we need to find the value of k for us to find y when x equals 77. There's two unknowns here. When x equals 77, if I don't know what k is, I won't be able to find what y is. So we have to use the information they gave us to find what k is. So what we can do is we can say when x equals 5, y equals 2. So I can replace the y with 2, and I can replace the x with 5. So this is 2 equals the square root of 5 plus 4, both under the square root sign. So we can say 2 equals k over the square root of 9. So 2 is equal to k over 3. Therefore, we can say k is equal to 3 times 2, which is 6. Okay, k is equal to 6. So therefore, we now know what k is, so we can say y is equal to 6 over the square root of x plus 4. Now we want to find y when x equals 77, so we can say y equals 6 over the square root of 77 plus 4, which is 6 over the square root of 81, which is 6 over 9. Square root of 81 is 9, so y is equal to 2/3. And there's the answer to question number 19, a typical question on inverse variation. Okay, inverse proportion, inverse variation. So that answers that question. Other questions from this particular paper can be found in the playlist that appears over here. Other questions from this topic of variation can be found in the playlist over here. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking on this link. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.